Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick video on the 911. Well, it might actually be kind of a longer video. Pretty much ever since I bought the car, I've had a little bit of a clunking, or what I'd call a rattle in the front suspension. Kind of, you know, it's over the wheel wells, and Motors recently. You guys probably saw a video I did a while back, and they didn't find anything crazy going on with the suspension as far as worn out bushings or anything along those lines. I ended up doing a bunch of reading, and I ended up having them replace the strut tower bushings, and they were a little bit worn. They weren't horrible like some of the ones that I've seen, and I still have my noise. So I did some more reading and actually kind of looked under there myself, and it looks like the strut, or actually not the strut, I'm sorry, the drop links, which go to the sway bar, or attached to the sway bar, look like they're pretty worn. So I went ahead and ordered some TRW drop links. They're cheap, about 55 bucks a piece, and it's a 2-bolt job on each side, so it's something I can do myself. And so we're gonna open this up and then do the install. So thanks for watching, and let's give it a try. Look like these were, like I said, 55 bucks, and the Porsche original ones were, gosh, I think at one point like 255. So this is all we're dealing with, are these little guys right here, and hopefully these end up being the right ones. They look a little bit different, but I got it from AZ Auto House here in Arizona, free shipping, and again 55 bucks. So it comes with 2 new nuts, and then the little drop links themselves. I ordered from Arizona Auto House before, and overall I like ordering from them because they're in Arizona and their prices are pretty reasonable. I don't particularly care for their website all that much. If you don't have a part number, it can be kind of a pain to use. So hopefully I ordered the right stuff. But let's go check it out and see if we can get it installed and see if it fixes my problem. So putting these drop links in, you need a 15mm socket and a 17-inch box wrench. The new part comes with the nuts and then a torque wrench at the end. Torque specs are anywhere about 37 foot-pounds. That's the best I could find online. I don't have a Bentley manual. All right, so this lower bolt here is a 15. And then the little nut that you have to hold, that's kind of in between here next to the bushing, is actually a 17. So open end wrench here, 17, 15 here. At the top here, that is a 15 also. And I was able to get it off without getting a wrench back on anything here. It's a little bit tight. Out of the top, and then just pull. So this one is not, yeah, so it's torn here, but it doesn't really look like it's in that bad a condition, to be totally honest with you. I don't know if this is going to solve my problem at all, but we'll put the new ones on and see what happens. Alright, so the new drop link is in. So again, these are 15 mil, 17 on the inside, and that's for both top and bottom. And the best I could find, torque specs is about 37 foot-pounds for the lower. So I did probably around 37 to 40 is what I did. And then on one of the other videos I watched, it was a little higher on the top. I think it was 63 and 37 on the bottom, but those were actually for a C2, and the top bolt is quite a bit bigger on that one. So I did these about the same. So if anyone knows anything different, let me know. So that was actually quick and easy. Literally, other than jacking the car up, probably take you about 20 minutes. So quick and easy. Let's go do the other side. Okay, so quite honestly, I'm a little surprised that the rubber is not more damaged than it looked when I kind of looked at it the other day, but both sides are torn, and I believe it was the one that was in the top position. Essentially these can go either way, but it was the one that was at the top on both sides that was torn. You can see a little bit of wear. I don't know if that camera's picking it up because of the shadow, but right in here on the rubber, and it's kind of that way on both sides. But anyway, they've been in there for 116,000 miles, so for $100, they needed to be changed anyway, in all honesty. So I'm gonna go for a test drive, and I'll let you know if it solves my problem. The last couple of days I've been driving the 911, and the noise continues. So my fix did not work. And just to reiterate, these were the drop links I just changed out. I also changed out the strut tower bushings, and I secured everything in my trunk. And just for reference, if you're having the same problem, slow speeds, like 15 to 20 miles an hour on uneven pavement, and there's nothing when I turn the steering wheel, there's nothing under braking, nothing in the turns. It's simply just slow speeds and crappy roads. So if you've experienced the same thing, if you could please let me know how you fixed it, or if you hear this noise and you have an idea what it might be, I would be grateful if you'd let me know that as well. So that's it for now. We'll see you next time, hopefully with a solution. Cheers, guys.